What if you could turn every rupee you own into a soldier fighting for your empire? Imagine ruling not Egypt like Cleopatra, but your own financial kingdom where your money obeys you. Sounds impossible? Because in the next 10 minutes, I'll show you how the empires of wealth are truly built one investment at a time. One day, I got a call from my cousin, Pushkar. How did you invest in the stock market? I want to start too. I smiled and asked
Why?
one question. Why? That single why decides everything. Whether you'll become rich or broke. He said to me, people making 40 or even 50 lakh rupees online, and though if they can, why not me? But that's the illusion. Cleopatra warned her enemies of desire without discipline. The stock market isn't a lottery, it's not luck. It's a system that rewards patience, knowledge, and courage, not greed. If someone made 5 lakh, how much did they invest? 10,000 or 10 lakh? How many years did it take? Money doesn't grow overnight. It compounds slowly, quietly, like the Nile flowing each year, nurturing the empire that waits. So why invest it all? The answer, inflation. Every year, prices rise. Petrol, food, clothes, phones, everything becomes expensive. 100 rupee today will buy less tomorrow. If we just save, you are actually losing money. To beat inflation, you must make your money grow faster than prices. And that's what
When you buy shares, you're not buying paper, you're buying ownership. You become part owner of companies you already trust. Tata, Asian Paints, Marico.
as their profits rise.
Pull tighter now. Watch the ropes.
Sell it now. Sell everything before it drops further.
We're holding steady at 45.
I need 20,000 shares of Apex now.